Hey everybody, Elizabeth here with Shelton's Acres. It's been a little while. I've been busy with the new shop, but my oldest daughter Aubrey, she's got a bad cough. We all have really bad allergies, and she's gotten to where she doesn't want honey. So I asked her, I said, if Mama makes you some cough drops, would you take them? And she told me she would. So I've been researching and looking up stuff, and I've kind of blended some recipes together to make one of my own, and we will see how they turn out and how Aubrey likes them. So our ingredients we have here, we turn off the light so y'all can see better. We've got 1/4 of a cup of wild violet leaf decoction. We have 1/2 of a cup of raw local honey. We have 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground ginger. We've got a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So, and we've got our candy thermometer. We're gonna cook this to a hard crack, and then the children's recommended amount for these cough drops is a teaspoon. I'm not giving any medical advice or anything, but I'm going to use a teaspoon when we get to the hard crack stage to put it on some parchment paper, and once they've completely cooled, I'll sprinkle them with some powdered sugar to help them from sticking to each other. So I'm going to get to it. I'm going to mix all this ingredients and cook to the hard crack stage. And once they cool and we let Miss Aubrey try them, we'll let you know what she thinks about them, the taste, and we'll let you know if it helps with her awful cough she has right now. So again, please remember to like and subscribe. That really helps me out a lot. And we'll get back with you guys soon. Have a great day.